How to fix Samsung Wi-Fi connection failed issue on your Samsung devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue, Wi-Fi connection failed issue on your Samsung devices, then what you need to do is first head over to your devices settings. So once you're inside here, just scroll down and make sure you have already enabled the developer option. So once you have enabled, just tap on this developer option over here, and now simply scroll down until you see the option called Wi-Fi scan throttling. So for some reason, if it has been disabled, you can simply enable this just like this. And once you do that, just come back. Now simply scroll up and click on your wireless Wi-Fi settings or connections just like this. And once you're inside here, scroll down and click on more connection settings, and make sure you have enabled this nearby device scanning, and make sure you also have enabled this private DNS to automatic, and click on save. So once you do all of that, try restarting your device and it might fix your issue. So if it is still not fixing your issue, what you need to do is just come over to your Wi-Fi details just like this and simply click on its settings. Now simply click on view more and click on IP setting and make sure it's static. So once you're inside your static, you should see all of your IP address as well as DNS. So if your DNS is in 8888, then you need to change it. So for your case, in your case, if it's not working, then what you need to do is for first DNS just type in 1.1.1.1, and for second DNS just type in 1.1.0.0, just like this. And once you do that, just tap on save and restart your Wi-Fi router or your Wi-Fi settings as well. And if it's still not fixing, so the last thing what you can do is just head over to your settings once again and simply click on this general management. And once you're inside here, just scroll down and click on reset, and from over here simply click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings from over here. So once you do all of that, just try restarting your router as well as your Samsung device and your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.